rain risk. There are periodic chances for thunderstorms Friday into the upcoming weekend. The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 338, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Wisconsin: Adams, Calumet, Columbia, Dodge, Fond du Lac, Green Lake, Juneau, Manitowoc, Marquette, Richland, Sauk, Sheboygan, Vernon, Waushara, and Winnebago. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Port Washington, Wisconsin to North Point Light, Wisconsin. Lake Michigan from Port Washington, Wisconsin to North Point Light, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, until 7 p.m. At 5:42 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 25 nautical miles east of Bayside, or 27 nautical miles east of North Point Lighthouse, moving east at 40 knots. In addition, there was an abrupt strong wind shift to northerly, shifting southward across these waters. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar indicated. Impact: small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters.